5 elements. 5 elements आप ऐसा जमीन पे रखे, you can see what comes first under the ground. Water. So first element is water, then second is earth, then third is air, fourth is sky, and fifth is sun, मतलब अग्नि. Okay, so Surya. So 5 elements represent with these fingers, and also the body, internal body or this body represent. Like first element, water element, represent your fluid in your body, all the liquid form. Second element, earth, which represents bones, skeleton system. Third, air is your respiratory system, it represents. And then sky is your the gap in between your bones, which is responsible for bending. There is a gap in between bones, that's why you can move. Then there is Surya, sun, fire element, that is your digestion system. So all the 5 elements represents this body, this different types of bodies, different parts of the bodies. And if you practice in this outdoor, and you can see all the 5 elements in your surrounding, so that give you more benefits. So sometimes you must go out with the river, with the ocean, under the sky to practice to balance your 5 elements. So let's close your eyes, keep your spine straight, shoulders move down and open, and hands into Gyan Mudra, touching the tip of the first finger with your thumb, other fingers straight. This is Sukh Asana, that you are sitting. Be connected with your breathing and notice your long, deep and slow breath. Breath is very important. If your breath is not in a good way, then your physical body is not also good way. Just reconnect with the breath and notice the sounds in your surroundings. The sound of river, sound of birds, birds are chirping, and feel the air touches your skin. Bringing palms together for chanting 3 times Om. Inhale, 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 hands back on your knees and gently open the eyes. We will practice Kapalbhati, which is a cleansing technique, Shatkarma. It cleans your respiratory system and tone your digestive system. So the process is, when you exhale, it is strong exhale and your belly is squeezed in. So it is like, so you can check with your palm placing here. Okay, so let's start together. One deep breath before we start. Inhale, exhale, inhale, and start. Keep going. Little fast. Remember, your spine must be straight and feel your belly is squeezing in. Bring all the toxins out through your exhale. Last 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Hold breath out. Complete exhale. Gently inhale. Hold breath in and exhale. Few deep breaths. Next, we will start with the movement of your neck. Bend one side and start circling gently and slowly. And try to make a big circle with your neck. This gentle movement helps if someone has cervical issues or if someone has a work of sitting. This movement helps to remove the stiffness of your cervical spine. Switch the direction anti-clockwise, opposite side. Then gently back to the center and move the neck side to side. Now center and forward backward. Then center. Roll the shoulders back and forth. Anti-clockwise. Then relax. Now lift your upper body and move your back side to side. So you feel your side of the muscle is stretching. So before practicing asana, you need to move your joints to make your body ready. Start circling with the back. Inhale forward, exhale with round back. Then opposite side. Then back to center. Now place the hands in the front and come into table pose. Spread the fingers, press the palms. So your shoulders and wrist in one line and hips and knees in one line, pointing toes back for Bhagerasana. As you inhale, lift the right leg up and look up, arch back. As you exhale, round back, knee to your forehead. Inhale, up, exhale, round. Inhale, up, exhale, round. Inhale, arch, look up. Exhale, round. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round. Inhale, up. Exhale, round. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, ऊपर देखिए. Exhale, round. Inhale, exhale. Put your knee down and same thing with the other side. Inhale, lift the left leg up, look up. Exhale, round back and chin to your chest. Inhale, lift. Exhale, round back. Inhale, up. Exhale, inhale. Exhale, knee to your forehead. Inhale, lift. Exhale, very good. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Two more. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Knee on the mat. From here, curl the toes under, lift the knees up into mountain pose and move the heels up and down to stretch the hamstrings. Press the tailbone upward so your spine is long. Look at your toes. Now place the heels on the mat. Keep breathing. Stay in the posture. Mountain pose is very good pose as it is an inversion and supply fresh oxygen and blood into your brain. Keep breathing. You can connect with Ujjayi breath, making ocean sound on your inhale and exhale. Few deep breath here. Next inhale, raise the right leg up. Exhale, bring the right foot outside of the right hand. So you have space of your belly. Put the left knee on the mat, look in the front. You can, if you feel comfortable here, then you can place the forearms. Otherwise, you can stay here, that is okay. Continue breathing. This stretch is open of the hip area, the pelvic area. Couple of deep breathing here and relax the shoulders. That is important. Relax the toes. Now look up and lift the left leg up. Press the palms. Bring the right leg back into mountain. With other side, inhale, left leg up, stretch. Exhale, gently bring the foot outside of the left hand. You can check your knee and ankle in one line and do what you did before in other side. Keep breathing. Feel the stretch in your hip thigh. These postures helps to open and create space. That is a part of balancing 5 elements, creating space, connection with the space element. Next inhale, lift the right knee and bring the left leg back into mountain pose again, and 2 deep breath here. Then knees on the mat and your toes together, big toes together, knees apart from each other. Sit on your heels and chin on the mat. Close eyes for 3 Brahmari. घुटने खोलो. Open the knees. Brahmari is honeybee sound on your exhale only, and it comes through your nostril from back part of your throat. Inhale. 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 Next inhale, come back to table. Table to mountain. And then bend the knees, press the palms. You can jump forward or you can walk towards your hands very gently. For forward fold, Padhastasana, feet grounded and place the hands below your knees. Look forward as you inhale. On exhale, folding down, squeeze belly in, hold the ankles from the back side, bend the elbows and pull your upper body towards your knee. Your crown facing the mat and keep breathing. Squeeze belly in, knees straight, very good. Feet grounded. The intention is your knees are straight. Relax the shoulders, shoulders away from ears. Five deep breath here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and next inhale, gently come up with arms up, slightly back bend. Then gently exhale and release the hands to the side. We will practice Surya Namaskar Asana. For Surya Namaskar Asana, you have to smile first. You can see the river in front of you, which is a calming place to make your mind calm and face a smile. Surya Namaskar Asana has so many benefits from your head to toes. All the chakra, 7 chakras, and which includes the glands of the body. If glands is there, so means the organs get benefited from Surya Namaskar Asana. So, practice of Surya Namaskar Asana when it is sun rising. It is a sunrise time, but it is cloud that you can't see. But when you are practicing on sunrise time, it balance directly your Manipur chakra, as it is connection with the fire element. So before we start, we will chant 3 times Om Suryaya Namaha, which means we are bowing to the sun, which gives us light and also heal and nourish this body. Hands together, close eyes, and loudly we chant together. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Om Suryaya Namaha. Come in the front of your yoga mat. Feet parallel to each other, hands together. If you feel dizzy or any uncomfortableness during your practice, just feel free to relax. First round with right side, inhale, raise both the arms up, slightly back bent. Exhale, folding down and hands, fingertips on the mat. Inhale, right leg back, right knee on the mat, look in the front. Hold breath, left leg back, body parallel in one line. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, slide up into Bhujangasana, pointing toes back. On exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right foot in between hands or outside the hand. Exhale, left leg forward, knee towards, forehead towards knees. Inhale, lift up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. Inhale, lift, stretch back. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, left leg back. Hold, right leg back. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, slide up into Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, left foot front, right knee on the mat. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. 2-3 deep breaths. Second round. Inhale, arms up, stretch back. Exhale, folding down. Inhale, right leg back, knee on the mat, look in the front. Hold breath, left leg back, body parallel to the mat. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Very good. Inhale, slide up into Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, right leg front. Exhale, inhale, arms up, stretch back. Exhale, hands together. Left side, inhale, lift, stretching back. Very good. Exhale, all the way down. Inhale, left leg back. Hold, right leg back. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, up. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, left foot front, right knee on the mat. Exhale, forward. Inhale, up, stretching up, back bend. Exhale, hands together. Few deep breaths. Feel your breath. Remember, you are working on your 5 elements. Just feel what the organs and your body parts represent elements. Especially air element, your respiration, your breath must be slow, deep. Third round, right side. Inhale, lift arm up, stretching back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, right leg back, right knee on the mat. Hold breath, left leg back, body parallel to the mat. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, slide up into cobra pose, open through the shoulders. Exhale, lift into mountain pose, long spine. Inhale, right leg forward, left knee on the mat. Exhale, left forward, forehead towards knees. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. Left side, inhale, lift, stretch back. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, left leg back. Hold, right leg back. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, slide up, open chest. Exhale, curl toes under, lift knees up. Inhale, left leg forward, right knee on the mat. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. Few more deep breaths, slow breathing. This is classical Surya Namaskara Asana. There are little bit more benefits which tones your muscles, improve digestion, removes toxins, and create stability and balance in your body as well as in your life. Once you know the benefits of your what you are doing, that become more motivational and inspiration for your practice. Fourth round. Again, check your body, feet parallel to each other in the front. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, completely down. Inhale, right leg back, knee on the mat. Hold breath, left leg back, body parallel. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Inhale, slide up, open chest. Exhale, curl toes under, lift knees up, long spine into mountain pose. Inhale, right foot in the front, left knee on the mat. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. Left side, inhale, lift, stretch back. Exhale, completely down. Inhale, left leg back. Hold breath, right leg back. No rush, gently. Exhale, knees, chest, chin on the mat. Very good. Inhale, slide up into cobra pose, shoulders open. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, left foot front, right knee on the mat gently. Exhale, Padhastasana. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. Very good. Deep breathing. Be prepared. We will practice one more round. 5 rounds complete. And remember to smile and be connect with your breath. If your breath is good quality breath, then you feel happy and joyful with your practice. Fifth round, right side. Inhale, arms up, stretch back. Exhale, down. Inhale, right leg back, knee on the mat. Hold breath, left leg back, body parallel. Exhale, knees, chest in on the mat. Inhale, slide up, press the palms, Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain pose. Be a mountain. Inhale, right leg in the front, left knee on the mat. Exhale, left leg front. Inhale, arms up, stretching back. Exhale, hands together. Left side. Inhale, lift. Exhale, down. Inhale, left leg back. Hold right. Exhale, knees, chest in on the mat. Inhale, slide up into Bhujangasana. Exhale, mountain pose. Inhale, left leg front. Exhale, right. Inhale, gently come up. Stretch back. Exhale, hands together. Release hands to the side, palm facing forward. Close eyes and keep breathing. Feel the air in your surrounding and feel that you are inhaling that air. Fresh oxygen you are receiving and purifying your nadis. When you inhale and exhale deeply, then you purify your nadis, Ida, Pingla, Sushumna, and make space for Panch Pran to travel inside the nadis. Pran, Apan, Saman, Vyan, Udan, which are responsible for all the conscious and unconscious movement of your body. Feel grounded through your feet and open the chest, shoulders down. Feel body weight on both the feet equally. Then gently open the eyes for balancing pose. Pavitra Asana, very simple. Just focus one point in the front to make the balance and shift the body weight on left side step by step. Then gently when you feel you have now balance, then bend the right knee and hold with the right hand. So you see your knee and ankle in one line. This hand you can bring up straight with Gyan Mudra. Try to focus and engage the left thigh. Squeeze belly in. Very good. Open through the chest and lift your body. Couple of deep breathing. Then gently release the leg and hand. Move the feet up and down. And now shift weight on the other side. Then gently lift and hand up. Keep breathing. Try to make concentration. Few more deep breaths. You are doing good. Then gently release. Move the feet up and down. We will practice Trikonasana from the front of your yoga mat. Bend the knees and bring the left leg back into 90 degree. So you can check yourself. Your right heel is in the front of the left arch. Your pelvis is in the center. Arms level to the shoulder height. Inhale and exhale, bend on the right side. Look up to the sky. Open through the chest and keep breathing. I will assist. Both the shoulders in one line. Straight the spine and straight the knee. Open. Keep breathing. Breath into rib cage. Very good. Few more deep breath. You are creating space on the side muscle. Look up. ऊपर देखिए. Now look down. Bend the right knee. Gently come up. From here, bend the right knee. Look at the right side. Bend. Warrior 2. Mahavir Bhadrasan. Look at the right hand. Keep breathing. Your right knee and ankle in one line. इधर वाला पैर बेंड करो. सामने. Bhadrasan helps to create balance and strength. Then gently straight the knee and change the side. For Trikonasana, pelvis in the center, arms level to the shoulder height again. Inhale, going towards left, and exhale, bending to the side. Look up. Keep breathing. Feel breath into the rib cage. सीधा करो. हाँ, इधर करो. हाँ, knee straight, straight your knee, and look. Couple of deep breath. Then look down, bend the knee, straight up into Mahavir Bhadrasan. Continue breathing, don't forget. Then straight the knee and turn the feet to each other parallel. As you inhale, hold the hands back side, make finger lock. On exhale, folding down. Look back, knees straight, thighs internally rotated. Feel the stretch, openness in the hamstring, the back part of the legs. Feet grounded, crown facing the mat. It also helps to Make flexible your shoulders and armpit. Bending knees and gently come up. Hands, release the hands and come back to the front. Next inhale, raise arms up, and on exhale, folding down. Bring the legs back into mountain pose. From here, we will practice Raj Kapotasana. As you inhale, lift the right leg up, and on exhale, bend the knee and place knee in between hands. Stretch the left leg back gently and point the left toe. Look forward. Keep breathing. Point. Look in the front. Open through the chest. Continue breathing. And your left hip is grounded down. So do not lift the left hip. Look forward. And now stretch down. Hands forward. Forehead on the mat. For 2 Brahmari. Again, Brahmari is an honeybee sound and create little bit louder. Inhale. Inhale. Next inhale, look up, place the palms on the mat, curl the left toe and lift the knee up, come back to mountain pose. Next inhale, left leg up and gently bend the knee and come in the front in between hands. Point the right toe back, look in the front, open through the shoulders. Continue breathing. Your right knee is straight and left hip down, so you feel the evenness in the hips. Then gently move forward, stretch the arms forward, forehead on the mat. Two Brahmari here. Inhale. Inhale. On inhale, place the palms, lift the right leg and come up into mountain pose. From mountain, put the knees down and lay down on your belly. Bend the knees, little bit gap in between the legs, hold the ankles. As you inhale, lift the legs up, chest up, looking up. Continue breathing. बस आप इतना करो, हाँ ऊपर देखो. Breathing. Breathing will help you to lift up. Look up. ऊपर देखो. Look up. हाँ. Hold. Very good. Very good. The spine must be strong. All your energy is stored in your spine. If your spine is healthy, then you are healthy. Lift. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale, release, and hands in the front. Place face on the right side. Feel your navel. You can also feel a sound in your navel. Dip, dip, dip. You just worked on your Manipur chakra, on the fire element. For the back bend, work on the pranavayu, which is move in the in the area of your respiration. Turn the face to other side. Relax your breath. Relax the heart. उधर की तरफ. Now place the hands back beside your rib cage for Bhujangasana. Elbows in. Inhale, lift up into Bhujangasana. Looking up, shoulders relax. And on exhale, lift up and sit in Vajrasana, which is very good posture. And you can practice after meals for good digestion. Hands on the thighs, shoulders relax and down, spine straight, close eyes. Close eyes and concentrate on your breath. Open the eyes gently and tilt on one side. Stretch the legs forward. For Paschimottanasana, knees straight, toes, flex the toes, lift the chest up, spine straight. As you inhale, raise both the arms up. On exhale, folding down, hold the big toe and pull your forehead towards knees. Keep breathing and shoulders away from ears. Relax. Next inhale, raise both the arms up. Exhale, release the hands and bend the knees. Place the sole of the feet together and bring the heels close to your pelvic bone. Hold the toes and move the knees up and down, spine is straight. Become a beautiful butterfly. Happy butterfly. Then press the knees down. Inhale, raise arms up and exhale, folding down. Forehead close to the mat. This posture helps to make flexible your hip joint and also reduce the extra fat from your belly and inner thighs. Continue breathing. Next inhale, raise both the arms up. Exhale, bring the knees together. Hold the knees, come up and forehead on your knees. Next inhale, head up and we will practice boat pose. So your legs are in V shape. Hold the thighs from inside. Lift chest area open and inhale, lift the legs up halfway or straight all the way. You can choose. Your spine must be long and chest open. Very good. Keep breathing. Then gently exhale and release and lay down on your back. हाँ ऐसा नीचे हो जाओ. Make sure you are moving little bit down so you're not hitting the back person. For Setu Bandhasan, bend the knees and heels close to hips. Hands, press the hands, lift the hips up, back up, all the way up, lift up, very good, stay there, look at the sky. You can close eyes and keep breathing. Continue breathing. Yes, very good. You are doing back bend, which is good for your spine, the sacrum spine and lumbar spine. Lift little bit more higher as you inhale and on exhale release each vertebra of your spine on the mat, lower back on the mat and hips on the mat. Then bring the knees towards the chest and hold the knees, move the back side to side. Then release for Hal Asan. Hal Asan. So for that You can look in, come on your elbows and look in the front. As you inhale, keep your legs straight and lift in 90-degree. On exhale, bring the legs hands on the mat. Continue breathing. Very good. कोशिश करें. Very good. Very good. Then place your back. Gently bring the legs up into Sarvangasana. तुम दोनों ऐसे ही रहो. Continue breathing. Lift your body a little bit more higher. Lift. Do not press all the weight on your hands. Lift up. Very good. Look at the sky. Then bend the knees. Bend the knees and roll the back on the mat. Few more times roll. Hold the knees and roll. Then lay down on your back in Shavasana. In Shavasana, open the legs wide, arms, palms facing up, close eyes. Relax the shoulders and put the shoulders down. Feel the shoulder blades and that touches the mat. Just remember focusing on your breath, which is slow, deep, and feel the breath into your belly. When you inhale, your belly expand, it rise up, and on exhale, belly sinking down, it contract. Just feel very gentle breathing. Now remember and feel your body and start moving the toes, moving the fingers, moving head side to side. Bring the arms over your head and give beautiful stretch to your body. Lay down on the right side and then gently sit into a comfortable position with closing eyes and spine straight. Feel your breath. We're gonna practice Nadi Shodhan Pranayam, which is very similar to Anulom Vilom. But while you inhale, exhale, you count. You can count till 5, 8 or 10. So let's do with the 5 counting and 5 rounds. So with right hand, you can open the eyes and look at here with the mudra. With the right hand, place the tip of the 2 fingers with the root of the thumb and other finger straight. This is pranayam mudra. Now exhale, hold breath out and close the right nostril. Now while you inhale, inhale slowly till the count of 5. 1, inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close left nostril, exhale slowly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale through right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Close right, exhale left. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is one round complete. Keep going with 4 more rounds. Slow breath. And count in your head. Slow breath always. Purify the nadis. Activate pran, which give energy, which create stability and balances all the chakras. Concentrate deeply on your counting and breath. Coordinate it. In the beginning, you can count till 5 with the regular practice. After a week, you can count till 8, 8 counting inhale until 8 counting exhale, and then 10. You can slowly extend your breath with regular practice. This is how you connect or create long, deep and slow breath. Nadi Shodhan is just not a pranayam, it also a meditative practice. It's also meditation as you are concentrating on the coordination of counting and breath. When you complete the rounds, then bring the palms together for closing our practice by chanting 1 Om 3 Shanti together. Inhale. Om Shantehe Shantehe Shantehe. Start rubbing the palms. When you feel the warmness into the hands, then place the palms on your eyes, your face, arms, legs, and feel relaxed. Then gently open the eyes. Have a good day. Happy day.